Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by clearing the area and protecting surfaces. This prevents damage and keeps debris contained. Once done, score the wallpaper seam where it meets the trim using a sharp utility knife so the paper will peel cleanly. Next, slide a thin 1/2 putty knife behind a loosened corner to separate adhesive from wood. Work slowly so you don't gouge the trim. Make sure to keep the knife nearly parallel to the trim. That angle minimizes scraping and preserves the underlying surface, as you now focus on the middle section where adhesive is most stubborn. Spray a generous, even coat of wallpaper remover or warm water and let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes so the glue releases. Patience here saves the trim. Once softened, use a wide putty knife held at a low angle to lift large strips without damaging wood or paint. After stripping, scrub residual paste with a sponge, warm water, and mild detergent. Rinse and repeat until the surface feels smooth and residue-free. Finish by inspecting the trim for nicks or glue stains. Address damage before repainting. Sand any small gouges with fine 220 grit paper and remove dust so filler and paint adhere well. If deeper dings exist, apply wood filler, allow full drying time, then sand smooth and wipe clean. Once prepped, prime bare spots and repaint or restain to match the trim. If paint peels later, a common fix is to rescore and remove remaining loose material. Then repeat cleaning and priming steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.